The 10 Best Smart Power Strips. If you want to protect your sensitive electronic equipment and reduce your overall energy consumption at the same time, one of these smart power strips can help. Designed to keep your home or office running smoothly and efficiently, they will protect against surges and can cut or restore power to their individual outlets based on a connected device's status or your pre-programmed instructions. The list starts from Wet and Multi-Plug. The Wet and Multi-Plug, around $26, provides superior control over each of its outlets using a Wi-Fi connection from a variety of mobile devices. It is also compatible with Amazon Alexa, allowing for intuitive energy management using voice commands. Includes Jinvu mobile app, fireproof apps construction, but power indicator light is distracting. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Weon 50051. Good for controlling lamps, fans, and even Christmas tree lights. The versatile Weon 50051 APPX, $48, boasts up to 12 customizable power settings and the ability to monitor energy usage, all of which can be viewed conveniently from your mobile device without the need for a hub. iOS and Android compatible, expandable up to 12 switches. But instructions are confusing. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Bestec MRJ808. At 5.7 inches tall, the Bestec MRJ808, around $40, offers 8 available outlets in a compact, vertical design that is perfect for placement on your desktop. Each of its 6 USB ports uses intelligent recognition technology to provide a charge at up to 2.4 amps. Built-in overload protection. Safety door prevents electric shocks. But mains cord is pretty short. Well, here is the 7th one. iClever Boost Strip. The ultra-portable iClever Boost Strip, APPX, $15, nearly fits in the palm of your hand and delivers protection from surges of up to 4,320 joules, which can help save your most sensitive electronic devices from any voltage spikes or overloads during your travels. A particularly affordable choice, good for use in airports and hotels, but no programmable control functions. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Zeus Z-Wave Plus, certified to work with a number of common ecosystems. The Zeus Z-Wave Plus, APPX, $80, can add intelligent functionality to 5 traditional appliances at once. It's outfitted with an advanced communications setup and relatively recent security features. For added range and protection, works with Vera and SmartThings hubs, notifies when devices are charged, but not directly compatible with Alexa. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Colix M6. Meet the equipment needs for your home or place of business with the Colix M6. About $43. This 2-pack includes both a black and white adapter, each equipped with 6 AC outlets and 6 quick charge USB ports for accommodating virtually all of your electronic peripherals. Comes with micro USB cables, built-in 13-amp circuit breaker, but helpful manual is also included. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Genie Surge. The Genie Surge, about $29, connects to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band and offers 6 power sockets. The one on the end offers a little extra real estate than the rest, so you can plug a large transformer in without blocking any other outlets. Doesn't require a separate hub. Works with most virtual assistants, but subpar surge protection capacity. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. CyberPower EC650 LCD. Whether it's your computer, network router, or gaming system that needs protection, the CyberPower EC650 LCD, about $70, has you covered. Its built-in battery backup functionality allows for the safe shutdown of your devices in the event of a power surge or outage. self-testing and event logging. 3-year warranty is included, but easy-to-use LCD interface. According to reviews, the second best product is Trip Lite Eco Surge Suppressor. Secure your valuable electronics by plugging them into the Trip Lite Eco Surge Suppressor. About $80. Its handy green outlet mode automatically switches off the power being fed to unused components, eliminating phantom loads from wasting energy and driving up your electricity bill. Outlet safety covers prevent erosion, filters electromagnetic interference, but lifetime insurance coverage. Now here is our best of best, the king product. TP-Link CASA, part of an incredibly popular line of equipment. The TP-Link CASA APPX, $69, has 6 individually controllable AC outlets that are programmable via an app. It also has 3 USB ports that can charge devices at up to 5 amps and 2.4 volts. Compatible with Android and iOS. Built-in energy usage monitoring, but works with most voice assistants.